Hey guys, I came to Kerameri Ghat. Right now I'm in this viewpoint, guys. I just climbed up and I want to show the view. Look at this, guys. Wow, what a view, what a stupendous view is this. And I went to Asifabad. While going from here I didn't stop. Now I'm going back to my home, so I thought of stopping here and I came here to view this, guys. Wow, amazing. Amazing, guys, absolutely amazing. So mesmerizing to see this view.